I'm Charles, Lewis Apartments Manager of Maintenance Training. As we do our very best to keep our residents and employees safe during social distancing, I thought I would show you some easy repairs that you can try for yourself. Let's get started. Here's some good information about garbage disposals. That means it's bound up, and you need to clear that obstruction. An easy way to do that is from the bottom. An Allen key or hex head wrench can be inserted at the bottom center of the garbage disposal, rotating it left or right to clear the obstruction. If your garbage disposal isn't working at all, there's a reset button at the bottom. Here are things you should never put in a garbage disposal. To clean your disposal, you can use ice, baking soda, and vinegar.